Our big launch can't run on a generic template, especially with our brand awareness and the marketing deadline.
We need a customer portal, subscriptions, and analytics without duct tape. And I need the portal built right.
Application has high latency and keeps going down and has poor performance, low security posture, and constant those 2 a.m. hotfixes.
I just wish there was a company that could automate my requirements and provide me a tailored marketing template.
I just wish there was a company whose team that could build the customer portal properly from the start.
I wish there was a company that is expert in application development, that too in cloud, and is economical and adapting to fit my business requirement.
Try CloudMySite.com, where our consultants can guide you in your technical architecture, but help in choosing the right technology and product. At CloudMySite, we build exactly what you need, whether it's a custom React application, a lightning-fast HTML site, or even a complete cloud solution. From discovery to launch, we make it seamless and 100% hosted on cloud.